Welcome to our typically between Puluyagan and Team Barangay Rampana.
Uy, wala lagi ni mo si pangrining ilang
This game is played for the both teams.
Live mga ka-Asenso diri sa Asenso Covered Court. It's our first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Round 1 sa ato ang play-in period, Rural Division B. It's Barangay Puloyagan versus Barangay Dampalan. Congratulations din mga ka-Asenso no, para sa Barangay Bomba for advancing the second round sa ilang play-in period versus Barangay Pedolonan. So congratulations and thank you very much para sa Barangay Pedolonan for participating this first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. And now mga ka-Asenso, it's Barangay Puloyagan versus Barangay Dampalan. Again, it's the play-in, round 1 play-in para sa ato ang Rural Division B. So kung kinsay mo daog ani, we'll advance in the second round of our play-in and ang mapildi, mangayon lang yung ko na pasalamat. And 6-0, 6-0 run for Barangay Puloyagan. As you can see mga ka-Asenso no, Puloyagan has the advantage or kumbaga llamado for this game. Sa taban kay nganana man yun ang ruling sa ranking god sa play-in. Shoutout day ko dai sa ato ang referee Arlo Caluno.
Daghang kayong salamat no sa ato ang mga viewers diya sa Asenso Sports Channel. Especially po sa atong commentator nga si Sir Gabriel. Salamat kayo, sir.
Yes, no, atang official diri sa Asenso Barangay Cup. It's Sir Arlo Caldo. And a 3-pointer for Barangay Puloyagan. 9-0 run for Barangay Puloyagan. Balawag gustong bumabay. Two-stop. Grabe pamulso oy. Lapas man sa board. Corner 3 na naman para kay number 6. Missing it this time. Gets his own rebound. Number 14 with a jumper. Oktubre. Naman na yung mga Oktubre dito sa Puloyagan no. Double clutch, missed. Jump ball. 11-0 run for Barangay Puloyagan. Okay, it was Oktubre de ang nakakuan de, October. Sakto yung kay karon October. Parok. No good. Castor, fast break. And Octubre unable to catch that pass. Another fast break. And another easy two for Barangay Puloyagan. And timeout called. Barangay Dampalan, 13-0 run for Barangay Dampalan, Barangay Puloyagan.
This time out is brought to you by State Council. Idol to Nahahote. Remaining for the first quarter, 6 minutes and 52 seconds.
Back to our ball game.
Number 6, 2 point. This is number 6, October. Two boys, number 20, Harold. Two boys, basketball. One boy, two boys. Shotgun 40.
Barbon with a jumper.
Seconds to shoot.
14-second shot clock. Octubre baseline jumper is good. Banloy. Inasa pa. Parok. Piti. Sabi na ako parok. Piti di ay.
Receivers for the ball. First was for the ball. Second, two balls, shutdown, 48. All the balls, low position, the bottom. Congregated for the first quarter, 2 minutes and 51 seconds. The lead of the count, 2 points.
Ayun, may foul na tinawag.
There's a number 14, Chris Mercer on the foul. For the other, Chris Depot. Right at the chest, number 4. The other, Chris Depot.
Sab ka, sir. Mabasket ni sir, sab ka ha.
And basket at may kasamang foul para kay Octubre.
22, pushing foul, and full strip, Chris, number 6. Substitution at the board. Number 14. Awarded goes to number 6.
Now to number 14. 22 fades away, no good. Put back by Parok, missed. Stolen by Barbon. Barbon, heavy traffic. Barbon falls away and he is fouled.
First personal ball. First 3 balls. Awarded 2 shots. Number 40.
Barbon missing his free throws. 28-6. 20. Sobra 20 puntos ang lamang. Castor inside feed. Albiola. Pumitik pa si Albiola. Nakakuha ng foul.
Number 6, second personal foul. 14 ball. Awarded by the school, number 7.
Three-pointer missed by Sanjalan. Now to number 4, Banloy. Off the glass, no good. Pass break to Octubre. Octubre to Barbon sa gitna.
2 points.
Sanjalan tumira ng 3. Mintes. Nice cut here. Stolen by Barbon. Fast break. Octubre. And it's good.
2 points.
By Castor. Nuena forced shot with a 3. No good. Octubre missed. Passing ito Sanjalan. Sanjalan. The lob, reverse layup is good.
Number 4. Violation of position, Korea.
Cross is over, almost tripped kinapos sa oras, and that's the end of our first quarter. Tambak malala ang Barangay Dampalan for this game, for this quarter.
Expertise by Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Manuel Fernandez.
Sa agos ng ating kasaysayan. And back to our ball game. Diana. Over pa, head-to-head pass. Para ka number 20, jumper. And it's good. Nuena again. Three-pointer, finally nails it in.
Jersey number 12.
Side step. And Nuena gets that ball. Now to number 19. Nuena inside, foul at
Jersey number
and
7,
one.
2 points. Foul number 5.
And a foul called against Octubre.
First team foul. Oliana.
Missed. Octubre crosses over, nakalusot, good feed kay Diana. Another three, Nuena, another miss. Corner three and missed. Ball goes to Barangay Poloyagan.
All fouls.
Diana driving, passing sa gilid, and it's good.
Jersey number 20.
Three-pointer, another miss for Barangay Dampalan. Tapi ka ng bola. Octubre wins the rebound. Now to Diana. Diana umatake behind the back pass. At lumagpas. And three-pointer, another miss for Barangay Dampalan. Diana Tuniez crosses over. Heavy traffic. Inside ulit to number 20 and missed for that baseline jumper. Fast break. Para ka number 15, another miss. Buti na lang andyan si number 12 to get that rebound. Inside feed, ang ganda ng pasa. Kinapos sa layup. Rebounded by Lugas. Lugas and out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
Traveling violation called against Nuena. Senjana. Diana ulit. Nakalusot. Another nice feed. Ay, tumalon. Traveling violation. Una mag-amba kaya dribble. Gilingan. Over the head pass. Corner 3. Nuena missed. Rebounded by Diana. And now Diana has the ball. Almost lost from his hands. Buti na andyan si number 20 para ma-recover ang bola. Amante. Diana cross. And 3 seconds violation.
Logas.
Five minutes and 25 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 41-13. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Poloyagan.
Jersey number 40, Spada. Or jersey number 90. Alawi.
Ball almost stripped and now stolen. And steal after steal for both teams. Jana, good pass. Sa gilid, jumper. In and out. 16 with a follow. And it's good. Lugas. Agawa ng bola. Ligid.
Jersey number 12.
Sa mukha ng banda sa gawas ay makakanta man tag-apil.
First the ball. String of 3 points. Push off for number 30.
Gilingan with his first throw, missed. Second throw.
Gilingan.
Jana with a crossover. Side pass para kay Amante. 3-pointer. Missed. Rebound by number 16. Can't get it to go. Tapik na naman ng bola. Jana is there. Good effort by Jana. And another nice pass. Sa ilalim, kinapos ang layup.
Ball Jersey number 30. Gilingan. First of the ball. First 3 points.
Reverse layup. Missed. Inagaw ni number 16. And Diana, bakante, kapos pa rin. Put back, can't get it to go. Another chance. Ayaw pa rin. Fourth chance. Finally nails it in.
Number 60, Lugas.
Hanggang hapon, sir. Ay, usaw na! Grabe, rubuha kayo eh.
Rubo, okay. Sabar ya kay naka-live akong mic.
Shout out, John Roy, okay? Shout out. Shout out,
Lost position.
Luya ni mo. Maot na yung ballpen.
Jersey number 30, Gilingan.
Dito yung ballpen kay dinaog na ko sa rapol.
Okay, maayo.
Pila na ka buok?
Tulo, sir. Okay, salamat, sir.
Sige.
Dili ba picture, sir?
Dali. Palayo mo, palayo. Ay, 1 minute naka-on. Sige, 1.
Good. Fights.
Ako na good na. Sige. .45-15 tambak malala ang Barangay Dampalan. Uy. ...30 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Puluyagan. Wa paganin aning dula si Tano. And nice fake by Nuena.
Jersey number 20, Bull Whites.
Jumper is good
Octubre.
by Octubre. Pag minamalas ka nga naman talaga, mana bisag unsaon ni magtira, kung malas ka, malas gyud, di gyud ma-shot. Ana. Wa naman yun na mao.
Wato.
Another miss for Barangay Dampalan.
Shot off 50.
Time sa, murag wa naman ni na mao. Tarungan na rin ninyo dampalan, be.
Carl, 2 points.
42 seconds left in the second quarter. Octubre against Albiola. Ball almost stripped. May double dribble.
Double dribble violation.
A basket and a foul for Nuena.
Ball number 20 on Andres. Rebound, personal foul. For 3 foul. Oliana. Time remaining 19 seconds.
19 seconds left in our first half. Albiola, di makalusot. Traveling violation call against Albiola.
Violation.
Fast break pass. And that's the end of our first half. 49-24.
Second quarter.
Poloyagan with a huge lead.
These brothers broke Lima. By still of Corbin going Guadalupe Hernandez.
49-24, third quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Dampalan versus Poloyagan. Tambak malala ang Barangay Dampalan for this game.
Jersey number 20, Pablo Kubois.
Katiag against Amante. Katiag nakalusot. Passing it sa ilalim. Balik sa labas. Katiag to Banloy. Inside feed. Intercepted. Ang pasa ni number 16. Pass break para kay Nies. And yes sir.
Jersey number 1, Jens Kubois.
Sanjalan. Out pass para kay Banloy. Banloy over number 20. Muntikan pang nasupalpal. Number 20 mas quicker. Dana quickie. Quicker. Uy, mata na. Walay kamo. Kinapos ang layup ni Lugas. Yes, jumper, kinaliwa ang jumper. Fast break to nobody, last touch ang audience. Asa man ni sila na malit aning kuan, murag macchiato. Malita Sam. Oktubre, tumira ng 3, Mintes. Falls away. Lugas, no good. Amante with a putback. Missed pa rin. Now to Sanjalan. Banloy. Another turnover. Jana, muntikan pa matravel. Buti na lang naitira. No good. Jana with the rebound against 3 defenders. Passing ito Amantes sa gitna. Can't get it to go. Parok. No good for that rebound. Buti na lang. Andyan si Katiag. Pass break para kay Banloy. Yes sir!
Jersey number 4, Pablo Kubois.
Lugas is fouled.
From jersey number 20, first personal foul. First 2 foul. Dota.
Banloy to Nuena. Jumper is good by Nuena from the baseline.
Jersey number 20, Kubois.
Sanjalan with the ball. Passing it to Parok. Tumba man.
Foul, jersey number 60, Novas. First personal foul. First 3 foul.
Amante nakuha ang pass break and Di nakuha ang layup.
Poloyagan.
Timeout Barangay Poloyagan. Uy, shout out kay Aryan Ihara na naglantaw karon. Shout out po kay Reniel Dakul, ambas Jordan Clacton sa mong Balangay Pidulunan. Shout out from Team Japanese Cake dire Loyo sa covered court aning GSIS Japanese Cake. April Love Barbon. Agoy, saba kay gawas. Lugas. Missed. Yes. Mid-range. Mintes ulit.
All the balls.
Aryan Ihara, shout out. Murag man siguro si number 4 dire. Number 4 sa Dambalan. Baloy.
Mercy, number 4. Wanda, 2 points.
Diana Tunyes. Mid-range. Mintes. Amante is there for the rebound. Diana nabitawan ang bola. Stolen by number 19 of Barangay Dampalan. Now to Albiola. Albiola. Umatake. No good. Amante. Isa na namang rebound. Uy, shout out. Akong palangga. April Johanna Makabangen by J. Sam Abdul the Pogi. Mr. Pogi ng Barangay Murikay. Lamig kay ngisi Abdul ay. 3-pointer for Oktubre para sa Barangay Poloyagan. Bounce pass and miss. Again, shout out kay Jason Pogi ng Barangay Murikay Abdul ug sa iyahang lalabs nga si April Johanna Makabangen. Shout out watching from Lison Valley Detachment, Rene Tinggan. Shout out ninyo diya sa detachment Amping Kanunay. Thank you for keeping Barangay Lison Valley a peaceful barangay. Thank you for keeping the community safe. Arante. Arante tumira. Mintes. Good. Lugas. Ball hit from his knee, his feet. Diana, ganda ng pasa to number 12. Bang! Baseline jumper by Diaz. Alviola.
Push-ups for number 20, foul.
Parok, miss. Mintes pa rin. Jana. Tulugas, balik kay Jana and foul.
Foul on jersey number 60.
Katiag all the way. Katiag scores.
Jersey number 50, Apia, 2 points.
Now Tulugas. Hangs in the air. Jumper, Octubre, missed.
Foul jersey number 6. Third versatile. Point, 3 points. Dominant. Into the third quarter. These quarters from Lima. Nice field at 40. Going. On the third quarter.
Check mic. Hey. All right, back to the ball game for the fourth quarter. Okay, shout out tayo nato karon sa atong game, no? Si Ma'am Bayugbog sa People's Pagadian. Okay, jersey number 18 on the ball. Pasa lalim ang bola to jersey number 7. Pasok yan, number 7.
Jersey number 11, Costa.
Jersey number 4 on the ball. Pasok na sa front court. Jersey number 15. Hanap ng mapasahan. Tumira sa gitna, no good. On the rebound, number 15. No good pa rin. Shot clock 11. Pasa na naman kay Taruk. May tawag yung referee. So jersey number 14, holding foul. Direction to play. Bola sa team Dampalan. Intercept ang bola. Long pass kay jersey number 10. Walang kahirap-hirap. Jersey number 6. Oktubre. Pasa gilid na naman kay Taruk. No good. On the ball pa rin. Jersey number 20. Wala pa rin. Long pass ang bola against Oktubre. 2 points. Oktubre. Intercept na naman ang bola. Asok sa front court. Barbon. Long pass na naman sa ilalim. Number 6. 2 points. Jersey number 13 on the drive. Now good. Kuha pa rin sa Puluyagan to jersey number 10. Long pass ang bola kay number 6 sa ilalim. Wala. Balik sa 3 points area. Sumubok for 3. No good. On the rebound, number 10. Pasa gitna, number 14. 2 points. Lane violation. Balik na naman ang bola sa Team Puluyagan. Time remaining for the fourth quarter, 7 minutes and 10 seconds. On the drive, number 18, traveling violation.
Traveling violation. Stops illegal.
By substitution.
Jersey number 30, good leg on. For jersey number 50, Fatima.
On the ball, number 4, pasa gitna kay Taruk. No good pa rin. Kuha sa gilid ang bola, number 13, 2 points. On the ball, number 18, pasa gilid sa 3 points area. Number 6, back again to number 18, Castor. Inasok, binalik kay number 6, Oktubre for 3. No good. Long pass naman ng bola, interception. The jersey number 18, Castor. Sa gilid, balik sa gitna ang bola. Pasa na naman sa ilalim. Number 14, 2 points. Shout out ang atong gwapong referee, si Plata Tisoy. Number 14 on the drive. No good. Kuha sa gilid, hook shot. Ayaw pa rin pumasok. Balik na naman sa ilalim. Pasok na yan. Oktubre number 6. Sa gilid na naman ang bola. Walang kahirap-hirap po, mga ka-Asenso. Patas naman sa gilid, out of bounds. Time remaining for the fourth quarter. 5 minutes and 21 seconds.
Puluyagan. This strikers from Cuba. City National. Michael Venezuela.
Labot na nga, yung mga tag-burger eh. All right, back to the ball game for the fourth quarter. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds on the drive. Number 18, no good. Nagmamadali, jersey number 14. Pasa gilid na naman ang bola. Sumubok for 3, number 15. Wala. Tumera for 3. No good. Number 16. Pinasok ang bola. Out of bounds. Bula sa team Dampalan. Walang kataw-tao. Jersey number 15, 2 points.
2 points.
Castor number 18. Pasa gilid for 3 kay Octobre. For 3.
Octobre. 3.
Buwan na naman kay Castor ang bola. May foul. Jersey number 6, pushing foul.
Jersey number 6. For personal foul. First team foul.
Intercept ang bola, number 6. Kuha na naman again sa team Puliyagan. Pasa gilid kay Castor. 2 points. Octobre, pasa gilid ang bola. Stepping on the line. Back again to team Dampalan. Long pass naman ang bola. Out of bounds, inbound. On the drive, no good. Jersey number 20, long pass na naman ang bola kay jersey number 6, Octobre. Sumubok na naman for 3, Octobre, no good. Number 14. Back again to jersey number 13 ang bola. For 3 again. Offensive rebound na naman. Jersey number 15. Pasok ang 3 points. Cut back. Out of bounds.
Jersey number 5, Octobre. For jersey number 6, Novas.
Cut flag number 15. Hanap ng mapasahan. Intercept ang bola. Long pass na naman. Jersey number 9. Walang katao-tao. 2 points count. Number 9.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes remaining.
Last minutes. No rebound.
Ayan na. Pass sa gilid ng bola. To Octobre. No good. Long pass na naman. Castor, sumubok for 3. Pasok na naman, jersey number 18, Castor. On the drive, number 15, 2 points. Remaining time, 1 minute and 12 seconds. Octobre, number 5, for 3. No good. Offensive rebound, number 18, Castor. Castor for 3. In and out. Long pass kay number 14, 2 points.
Jersey number 14, 2 points.
25 seconds. It's a foul. Called by jersey number 6.
90 seconds.
Direction to play. To Puliyagan. Tumera, no good. Okay.
Number 6. white balls.
May tawag ang referee, jersey number 6. You are now
Number 6, white balls.
5 personal foul. For 3, number 5, Octobre, no good. On the rebound. End of the game
Final score.
for the team.
54-55.
Puluyagan and the Balan. Final score, 84-55. Win by Team Puluyagan.
Players, Rockford. Players, Scotty, Moss, Glenn.
Tulgon.
Kasenso hapon mga kasenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Kasenso Barangay Kapo karon. Nahuman na gina tayo ka second game which is played by Barangay Puluyagan versus Barangay Dampalan, and the winner Barangay Puluyagan. Ng mga kasenso na yung kamakalimot na mo like, mo follow, mo share sa itong Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel, ag sa itong YouTube account, Asenso Sports Channel Official. Ag sa kamakalimot na personal yung bisita diri sa Tabaran City Gym para personal ka mo maka-witness o maka-cheer sa ato mga games. Mga kasenso, no? Ayaw lang mo hawa dira, fasten your seatbelts kay mo balik na ta, tiod-tiod. I'm Ivy Marchat Carpentero. Padayon, pag-asenso, pagadiyan.